Hey YouTube, Brian here again with another one of my new vacuums. This time it's for my Hoover Decade 80 that I have now. I got this vacuum about a week ago and haven't done a video on it yet. Again, been busy. The same day that I put my sanitaire together, it's sitting over there, I got this and I put it together. I got this from for those of you who collect vacuum cleaners. If you're not on vacuumland, you should. But I got this from one of the members on vacuumland who lives in Canada. So he was selling it to get some more room out of his collection. I've always wanted a Hoover Decade 80, no matter if it's the green one, like I know how Vacmaster the Great has one, and a couple other YouTubers have it, but I got this one because I thought it was interesting, because it's not one that's a bag, it's one that has a dust cup. So, I'll show you there. It says 2-speed, and sticker saying in me in Canada. The bag's in good shape. So you got the height adjustment there. It didn't come with light bulbs, so I bought those yesterday. So I put the 2 light bulbs in. Now it has light. So, and then the model for this is U4329-001. It is in good shape. Didn't have to do much to it except assemble it. It didn't have the spring to connect to the bag, so I just took that off of one of my Eureka bags that I don't really use. So, and might go underneath a little bit. The brush roll is good. Bottom plate's all good. So I'll show it to you right now. Oh, and then it does have a 35-foot cord on it, so it does have a long cord, which makes cleaning the house easier, so that way I don't have to plug and replug. So. And then that's where the switch is, cord, and back of the vacuum. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and wait for my next one, which is coming up after this. So, later.